UDEMY considering this lesson, Machine Learning AZ, lecture number 23, lecture number 24 and 25 are covering the way a dataset is going to be split into the training set and the test set. But the notion after, which is about feature scaling, is not covered at any point in lecture number 23 or 24 or 25. However, in the exercise number 4, we are referring to this standard scalar notion, which has not been covered yet. Okay, the first defect, I would say. Then submitting my response, however, okay, this is the way I'm gonna answer the tests, and this is what I have to write. There is no side effect or a infinite loop or whatever. It seems to be straightforward, and it should be responded at the end. I should have the result of the test. But you can see, despite closing the tab, despite restarting the Chrome web browser, it's I have to wait and wait again and again. The spinner is gonna be released at the end. I'm gonna have the prompt back, or the control, but the result will not be given wrong or correct. I have to wait a lot, and I've been resetting everything in the page. The content has been cleaned up and written again, but you see, I have no result. How come? Please explain me and fix this, please.